morning, afternoon, evening, from wherever you're watching. You're welcome back once again to the Making Maths Class, a channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problems look easy. Come along, we have some questions bordering logarithm, centered on logarithm. The first thing is simplify the following. So, what is the logarithm of 16 to the base 2? Okay, so the first thing we can say, let the logarithm of 16 be equals to x. Logarithm of 16 base 2 be equals to x. It follows that from the laws of logarithm, 2 to the power of x equals to 16. So from there, make 16 to have a base of 2. So this is 2 to the power of x equals to 2 to the power of 3. Because 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8, 8 times 2, 16. That's 2 to the power of 4, sorry. 2 to the power of 3 is 8. So from here, they have equal base. Now, cancel out the base, equate the powers. It follows that x equals to 4. So the value of logarithm of 16 to base 2 is 4. The second one, we'll do the second one like that too. Logarithm of 32 base 4 equals to, let's call it y. That means 4 to the power of y will give us 32. So 4 to the power of y equals to 32. Now this is 4, this is 32. There's nothing I can, the 4 is to the power any number that can give me 32. So what I will do, but I know that 4 can be written as 2 to the power of 2, so we write it like that. 2 to the power of 2, you have your y there, equals to 32 can be expressed as 2 to the power of 5, 2 to the power of 5. So 2 times y, that's 2 to the power of 2y, equals to 2 to the power of 5. From here, this and this will go off. So 2y equals to 5. Y is equals to 5 over 2. And let's look at this one. Logarithm of, let's do the same thing, number 3. Log of 4 root 2 base 2, let it be equals to, let's call it a. That means 2 to the power of a. 2 to the power of a equals to 4 root 2. Now make this to be a single sword. 4 to the power of 2, that's 6. How do you make it a single sword? Bring it together. What will I take the square root of to give me 4? Which number will I take the square root of? That's 16. So that's 16 times 2. This will give me root 32. So that's how to make it a single sword. Because this 4 was gotten from the square root of a number, which is 16. So 16 times what is here? 32. It becomes a single sword. So from here, 32 is the same thing as 2 to the power of half. 32 is the same thing as, root 32 is the same thing as 32 to the power of half. Now, 32 is the same thing as 2 to the power of 5. So this becomes 2a, 2 to the power of a is equals to 2 to the power of 5 times half. So from here, this 2 to the power of a equals to 2 to the power of 5 times 1 is 5. 5 over 2. So from here, the base will cancel out. That means our a is equals to 5 over 2. So whenever you see a logarithm question like this, equate it to a variable, x, y, a, anything. Then the base raised to the power of what is here equals the number you are asked to find the logarithm. Okay, just like in you just type. Let me know the answer of 4 and 5. 4 and 5 in the comment section. Solve this. Let me see how. Use the same method by equating to any number, or sorry, any variable. Let me see the answers, what you got for 4 and 5. I hope you enjoyed today's class. If you enjoyed today's class, why not give us a like, give us a share, tell your friends about the Making Maths Class, a channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problems look easy. And if there's any aspect of mathematics you are struggling with, put it in the comment section, or any question you don't understand, put it in the comment section and I'll be there to attend to it. If you're yet to subscribe, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on wonderful content on the channel. Till meet again in the next making class. Keep practicing. Remember, mathematics is fun. See you at the top. Shalom.